After years of hesitation, I finally found the courage to start my YouTube channel. And if you are dreaming about the same thing, I'll show you how and why you should too. So I've been thinking about starting my YouTube channel for years actually, but there have been several things holding me back from doing it. It's been everything from what am I going to talk about? How am I going to talk about it? Do I have to learn storytelling? I need to learn about making good hooks so people will actually watch my video. I have to learn about editing, filming, sound, microphones, cameras, and of course, performing on camera. So there's a lot of stuff you need to learn. And the second thing has been, what will people think when they see me on YouTube? Will they laugh at me? Will they think my ideas are stupid? All of this stuff, it does not really matter at all. All of these thoughts also comes from comparing myself to the ones who already have made it, or people who are way further down the line than I am, who have basically just started. I have been on YouTube now for around 5 months and have around 50 videos. But what actually sparked me getting onto YouTube was a real turnaround moment last summer. I got a notice that I would be losing my job in 6 months' time, because the project I was working on was not going to receive any more funding, no more money. So the choice I had was, am I going to do what I always would have done before, which would be to just find another job and then go on with that? Or should I do things differently this time? And that's what I ended up doing. For the last couple of years, I've had my own business in life coaching and career counseling. My goal with YouTube is to make my YouTube channel a part of my business, and hopefully, or my goal is to monetize the channel someday in the future. I am pretty far off at this moment, but that was the spark that made me find the courage to actually start my channel. One specific thing that I didn't tell anyone. And I still haven't told anyone that I have started my YouTube channel. I am just making videos, putting it out there. If someone I know finds out, fine. I am much more comfortable with that now, 5-6 months down the line, than I was in the beginning. Because let's face it, many of my videos, they're not very good. Some of them are getting better, but some of the videos, terrible lighting, the sound isn't working right. So there are many things that I can improve. And another thing I did was to remove some of the barriers that the videos needed to look good, that I had to perform so well on camera. One barrier that I removed was that I just started making videos with my iPhone. No other microphone, just my iPhone. Just filming myself either in the car or just sitting at the table. Like I'm doing now as well. I'm just using my iPhone and daylight from the window coming in. No artificial lighting. I have a microphone. I can link to that microphone in the description if you're interested in that. It's a great microphone that will get you started. So what have I learned from this? I started because I want the freedom to build my own business and to escape the 9-to-5 life that I had. And like I said, my goal is to get monetized and have this YouTube channel as a part of my business. But some of the challenges that I've faced as a new YouTuber is, well, they're quite common, but they're low views. I think my lowest view on a video is around 10 views. Many of them have like 20 or 30 views. And then I have one which severely outperformed the rest, but it's still just around 800 views. And the quality of the videos aren't perfect, but I'm learning, and that's the whole point. It doesn't have to be perfect at this point. But I keep going, and what I do to keep going is to just focus on the process and not be so hung up on the result. Making perfect videos or great videos or going viral or having thousands of views. I am here to learn and to get better at it, and there are many things to improve, but I am also improving. And another thing is that I keep reminding me of my why I started this YouTube channel in the first place, just to refresh my inspiration. And my why is to help people find the courage to actually go for their dreams, the things that they want to do. So my why is actually what I am doing, and that's why this channel is so purposeful for me. But it's not really easy when you're not getting the feedback, when you're not getting views, you're not getting any likes or comments. But again, the process and not the results. But through all of this, it is still worth it. So if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, yes, just start, because you're learning so much. And that's also something that I've found here, is that I learned so many skills that I could also use somewhere else. So if I am not to succeed with this or my own business, at least I can take those skills and go into another job and do more of the things that I love doing. And let me tell you, it's a rush to get your video out there, and you get real proud of what you do. That is also one of the big rewards and why it is worth it to start a YouTube channel if you are thinking about it. And you can be proud of it, because not everybody dares to do this. It is scary, and that's the whole point. It is to go beyond your comfort zone and challenge yourself and grow and to learn new things. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, just start. You won't know everything. You can't possibly know everything. You will learn along the way, and challenges will arise along the way, and you will tackle them when they come. So the whole thing is to fall in love with the process instead of the results. So find something you want to talk about. Don't care too much about niches or anything right now. Just find something that you're passionate about, or something you would like to learn more about, and start there. Just like me in this video now. I don't know how to go viral on YouTube, but I'm trying to learn how to make better videos on YouTube. So start where you are, start with your phone, a microphone as well, and then just start learning and start reaching out to people in the community. That community can also help you and support you. And so if you're thinking about starting YouTube, if you're just thinking about starting it but haven't, reach out to me, let me know, so we can support each other on this great journey it is to learn and to grow and to make videos on YouTube. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.